Hey guys, Carlo Filippone here, your muscle chef, ready to talk to you about this guy, the chicken pound. What do we do with the chicken pound? We prepare grilled chicken in different flavors, 6 to be exact. If you're serious about bodybuilding and you meal prep, don't go anywhere else. This is the company for you. Hey everyone at MD, Carlo Filippone, your muscle chef, back here with you for another episode of Muscle Chef Television. Check it out. I have a dish today. It's called Balsamic Chicken. It is one of the simplest recipes that you can make, and I don't know too many people who don't appreciate balsamic vinegar. So check it out. Here's what we got. I have 2 chicken breasts. I've already pounded these chicken breasts out, but you know what? Here's how you do it, just in case you don't know. You want to take a chicken breast and just pound it a little bit to tenderize it. It'll make it that much juicier and that much more flavorful. So you have 2 chicken breasts. We have 2 tablespoons of finely chopped basil. 2 tablespoons of finely chopped basil. It's one of my favorite herbs. I have about a teaspoon of sea salt, about a half a teaspoon of black pepper. The black pepper is always to taste. And then I have a 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar, but keep your vinegar handy because you may need a little more when you go to saute this. This recipe is meant for the chicken to be sauteed. However, if you want to take these ingredients and throw it in a pan and then broil it in an oven, you can do so. I will stress, it tastes much better in a saute pan. You're also going to need some extra virgin olive oil. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring this over here. I'm going to take about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Now I've had this pan heating up, so it's already ready to go. For those of you who are doing it at home, heat it up for about a minute on a medium flame. You don't want to heat it up too much or you'll overcook the olive oil. Okay, so you take the chicken breast. I always like to put the top of the breast down first. You're going to put that in that oil. I'm just going to let that cook for about a minute. You take the flame and make sure you reduce that to medium. And then get the rest of your ingredients real close to you. Now you want to lightly brown these on each side because the entire cooking process takes place right here, right in the saute pan. We're not going to bake this in the oven. We're just simply going to saute, okay? About another minute on each side. So you want to go about 2 minutes on each side, on the first side on this. And then once you flip it over, the cooking process actually finishes in the saute pan. So about 2 minutes here. All right, so we're about 2 minutes into this. I'm going to flip my chicken breasts over. You can see that you have a nice light brown color in there. Okay. And now once I do that, I'm going to switch that flame back to high. Okay, I'm going to start to add my ingredients. My black pepper first, then my sea salt, and then my basil. Now you need a lot of basil on this for flavor. If you don't like basil, this is not a recipe for you. If you like basil, you're going to love this recipe. Okay, maybe wait about a minute. Make sure that you got some color on the bottom, and you can see the color starting to come in there. Right, wait about a minute, and then you're going to take your balsamic vinegar and put it right over your chicken breast. Now I got a 1/4 cup here. If you're a big balsamic vinegar fan, go with a 1/2 cup. I happen to be a big balsamic vinegar fan, so I'm going to add an additional 1/4 cup right now, and that'll help the cooking process. So once you've flipped it over, you've added your vinegar, you're looking at about another 4.5 to 5 minutes to cook this completely. Now, just to be sure, to make sure that you've done this correctly, get a cooking thermometer and make sure that the center of the chicken breast reaches 165 degrees. In the meantime, I got some brown rice right here in a pot of water getting ready to boil. I'm going to serve this balsamic chicken with a side of brown rice. All right, guys, so we're about 5 minutes on the second side here. We're going to measure the temperature on this chicken. You can see it's about 180 in the thinner parts, 165 on the thicker parts. So these are good to go. I'm going to shut the gas off. I've made my rice. I'm gonna cut this bag open. Pour this into my serving dish. Take my chicken breasts, put them alongside. And whatever glaze is on, I'm gonna pour it over the chicken breast and throw some of it onto the rice. When you want this to look real nice, take a couple leaves of basil, put it on the dish for decor. And you can really fool some people and let them know that you're a gourmet chef. Balsamic chicken breast over brown rice never ever looked so good and was so good for you. I'm Filippone, your muscle chef here at MD. Thanks for watching the videos. If you love the videos, please check out my websites, thechickenpound.com and elitelifestylecuisine.com for some fabulous foods. Thanks.